How to fix Spotify to not downloading music on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your device or your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or application. Then here you will find all the application that you have on your phone. So you will search just for Spotify, and when you found Spotify, just open it like this and go to storage. On storage, go to the last button here, clear data, then click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.